I'm going from the 12th fret to the 14th fret on the B and the E string. I go down to the 7th, to the 9th, back down to the 7th. And then on the B and the G string, I got 6 and 7. And I slide up to 8 and 9 and back down. And I basically here I'm doing like an A minor shape, but I'm doing it up here at the 6th and 5th fret of the D, the G, and the B string, and I let that 5th A string ring out. I'm getting all raspy. Getting all raspy on these smooth tunes. So once again, we're up here at the 12th fret, barring the 2 bottom strings, and we're sliding up to the 14th fret. We strike it and then slide back down. 7 to 9, back to 7. And then the 6 to 6, 7, A major 7. You can see what I'm doing. And I'm just I don't really have a pattern for this. Every time I do it, it's a little bit different. Thanks for watching. Thanks for stopping by, saying hi, leave a comment, and just say what's up. Thank you.